This is the second machine of Mr. Hamid Khan being checked on 13th January 2024. Abdullah dough kneader of 5 kg AE221. This is the shipping label. It has a metal blade, a measuring flask, warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. We'll show you from the bottom. There you can see it is absolutely okay. And now we'll start this machine also. The machine has started, which will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. This is its main carton, genuine, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, being packed in brown sheet and then finally in bubble wrap, and 2 fragile stickers will be pasted for safe package in courier. The machine has stopped automatically and the machine is absolutely okay, and now we will pack it for Daraz. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes, and it is a lifesaver for the ladies at home nowadays. Makes very good atta.